Going on, guys? Making another video here for you. Some of the stuff I've been doing. I tried uploading a video yesterday, but it didn't quite work out. I guess the video is too long and it wouldn't let me upload it. So got a couple here. This one is a 5160 that's been Cerakoted with a Tan G10. I'm looking at 300 on this one. And then this one's AEBL with a Camo G10. We're going to do 200 on this one. This one is M4. CPM M4 with a unidirectional carbon fiber. We're going to do 150 on that one. Another one in M4, kind of Spanto and stone washed flat or bevels, and then hand rubbed satin flats. And the hammer tone on the back with ivory micarta. And this one I'm doing for 200. One in AEBL. We're going to do 100 on that one. Here's another one in M4, Tano. Same kind of deal. Stone washed bevels, satin flat, Camo G10. Whoops. And I'll do 200 on this one. This one is ABL. I was just busy and, doing stuff. I want to take a break, so I did some crazy grinds on this. So that's hollow ground here, flat, and then hollow through here. And then micarta. And I'll do 150 on that one. And this one I'm just doing a special on. Try to, move some of my stuff and see so people can see what my work's like. CPM M4 with JG10, and I'm doing $50 on this one, just as a deal. Same quality as all my other ones. I'm just trying to move things along. This one is ABL. So all mirrored. My short 45 design. Then it has micarta liners, blue G10 liners, and then unidirectional carbon fiber on top. And it has that contouring I like. That nice palm swell, hourglass shape. This one's 350. So those are the ones that I got done thus far. And my hand's getting better since last time. I don't have full use of it, but it's about 75% now. So I still got this one in M4, this one in M4 to do yet, and this one has that hammered finish on the flats as well as the spine. And here's one in 5160. I got a bunch of them. Some of the other ones are up at the house, just so I don't have as much stuff down here. And that has a 400 grit hand rub satin. Still gotta get this one done. And then this one has 400 grit hand rub satin. These two are 5160 as well, with a mirror swedge, and it's also taper tang. You can't really see it right now, but it is. Gotta get that done. And that's actually going to be this right here. It's going to be orange with white liners. I don't think I have much else. Oh, yeah, I do. Here's one right now. That's green micarta with orange liners. That's epoxied right now. This is distal tapered, and this is black Cerakote. And then there's this one. Tano chopper. Two-handed with black Cerakote as well. Then I got a bunch more up at the house. I'm not sure if I want to get them powder coated, Cerakoted, or just do like a hand rub satin like that. I mean, I like the Cerakote, but I'm not really thrilled about paying $20-30 just to get it Cerakoted and not have a customer lined up for some of them. I think that's just about it. I did get my stone washer hooked up. I'm just running regular stone in there now, but I'm going to get some ceramic because this just creates way too much mud. The stones wear against themselves and create a whole bunch of mud in there. It makes a huge mess, and it really takes a really long time to put the finish that's needed on it. Got the sandblaster in here, but that still has not gotten hooked up. But I do have this hooked up finally, so instead of that thing sitting right there, there's piping. And that goes up there and then out on the roof and just goes out the building. And then all I have to hear is the suction and not the whole fan, basically. So that's basically all I hear. And I work with anytime I'm in here, I always have earplugs in anyway. So that's not a huge deal. I did get some pretty nice wood at the knife show I was at, the Keystone Blade Show, a while ago. Here, I'm going to set you guys down for a minute. Take a look at a beautiful Kydex press. I'm going to get out this wood so you can see it. It's really nice stuff. We got all kinds of really nice wood in here. And this came from Rob Hudson. He actually lives in the same town I do, and he makes really, really, really high-end knives, or used to. He actually got out of it, and that's why I got some of this stuff so cheap. But he made really high-end knives. You can probably look him up. You'll see some of his knives there. This is really high-grade stuff. I mean, I don't even work with it yet, and it's already taken a really, really, really nice gloss. I mean, you can see it there. So it does have a lot of resin in it. Really good stuff. And I do like wood. It's just costs quite a bit of money to get it most of the time. I mean, this block of maple that I bought separately from this stuff was I think $25 or something, which isn't bad for that, but I mean, some of this stuff is... So this was a block that he obviously cut out to make a knife, and that was $90 just for that. Some of this stuff is just awesome looking. And once I start doing hidden tangs with guards and everything, which will be here pretty shortly actually, I'm going to start using some of this and start making some, I don't know, nicer pieces, I guess you could say. So that'll be on the way. If you look up Larry Minch, he's the guy that taught me. I'll be making more of what he makes with the guards, hidden tangs with the guards. And I'll probably be doing a few other things here and there. I'm starting to work on the folders. I'm basically just in the prototyping stages right now, but I'm going to have a lot of machine work in it. And since I only have a drill press, I really can't do, any milling or anything. So I'm going to have somebody do that. And it's going to be a journey for sure. It's going to be, I don't know how much fun it's going to be, but we'll see. Awesome stuff, huh? Alright guys, I'm at 10 minutes here, so for the sake of uploading, I'm going to cut it off here. If you guys have any questions about the pricing or anything, just give me a call. 570-486-9095. Call or text or whatever. Most of you probably already have my number, or email, or whatever. So, alright guys, see you later.